stock technicals to watch from here. At the moment, stock is trading at $18. So VERU, I think I'm covering it for the first time, but I have been watching it for quite some time, maybe even all the way back when this stock, like 3, 4, 5 years ago, when this stock was around $1.70, $2, $3 stock. But this year, this is the action so far. This is a daily chart. You can see support resistance levels I was watching for this name. All-time highs this year, 2450, and also the recent lows that it's bouncing off of, basically the support from yesterday and today, basically maybe shorts who were shorting this stock all the way in 20s, pretty much covering their short, in my opinion, at the support of a 1650. That's the support for the stock right here, right now. And as a resistance, you can see I have 1850. We haven't hit that level yet. We still have 30 more minutes. And I do think that this stock pretty much fading at this point, just based on volume. Even when this stock went up all the way from 12 to 24, when it doubled, look at the volume. There wasn't much of an excitement, and that's why you saw this big dump where same thing, like it didn't do it with big volume. It was steady, slow selling pressure throughout the day, and right here, right now, it can definitely spend some time chopping. And if it slips over, I'm going to be watching this 50-day yellow line right here, 50-day moving average, 50-day simple moving average. And if it does break this 1850, ideally would be nice if it goes back above yesterday's highs, which is $19. Let me switch to a 30-minute chart. If it does go back above yesterday's highs, it would be basically Friday above Friday's high and Monday's Friday high. It would definitely squeeze people who were maybe trying to short it more here at these levels. And ever since, it hasn't done much, right? It's basically in this range, and nobody's making money for the past 3 days, basically. I mean, hasn't done much. So watching this range, whichever way it's gonna break out, that's what I will be watching. But I do think that if it does slip this 1650, it will definitely test 1450, which is 50-day simple moving average. But volume is low, and it can definitely get stuck in this range for quite some time. It has done it, and it can do it with no problem. Like, look at it, goes up, comes back down, chops a lot before coils up for the next move, and then comes up again and then down, spends chopping around, goes up, comes down, spends some time, at least, like, look at it, at least 4, 5, 6 trading sessions. It has done choppy action every time it has gone up and pulled back. So I do think that this pullback could be similar. It came back down to next level of support. It can definitely chop around, and then at that point, yeah, these two levels, whichever way it's gonna break, that's where it will go, because it's a small cap. It's at the moment, at this price, I think $1.4 billion company. So yeah, that's the very update, very quick technical levels to watch for this name. And careful with options, okay? I can take a look at what's going on with the option activity here. Let's have a look. What's the volume, at least, for today? And let me see. So let me get to because I'm screen recording. Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's difficult sometimes to navigate it. So, but quickly, I just wanted to show you that the volume, there's nothing significant going on at the moment. Put to call ratio about the same, 12,000 calls, 10,000 puts, and And also if you look at the volumes, well, the biggest volumes are, looks like, that came in were October puts, $5 and $10 and $5 spread. I don't know if it's debit spread or if it's credit spread. Looks like it's a debit spread, but we'll see. So but these all small orders, they don't mean anything, and there's not much excitement because back to choppy zone. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. That's it. Take care. Peace.